This is Cory. You've seen him on our socials and at 4x4 shows. He's one of our valued sales team and is the feature of today's Outback Armour Team Rigs. Because we're four-wheel drivers just like you.
Just done about 50 k's of dirt road. Perfect.
Today we're having a look at his 2018 Series 3 NP 300. We ask him what he thinks about the vehicle, what he uses it for, and what Outback Armour suspension setup he has under it.
I'll pop the bonnet and we'll show you what's underneath there. I've gone with a platinum airbox and snorkel. I got sick and tired of the mechanics breaking the factory airbox. So we've gone through two. If you own one, you'll know that you'll keep breaking the black clips off the back. Good product, never had an issue with it. Beautiful stainless steel mount for your computer. And a good airbox, and the mechanic can now see in there to not worry about touching the filter. 2.2 litre, twin turbo, pretty standard on the MPs. It's taken me a long time to find a bracket for the UHF to be up on the bonnet here. I actually found one at an old mate 4x4 down south. I was actually on a dealer visit and spotted one on the shelf, so I had to buy it. Otherwise it used to hang out the side here and it looked fugly. So, because I towed that caravan, I decided to go with some MSA mirrors, towing mirrors. These things are actually really good because they're a one-piece mirror, but they come out and then they rotate. All right? So nice and easy. Pull out, rotate. The reason I brought the MP300 was actually me and my wife were walking down the street of the car yards, and she actually liked the way it looked, the black and white colours, and we decided to go in and buy it. I liked it because it's coiled rear, it'll flex better off-road, and more comfortable for driving around day to day. As this was the family vehicle, now this is me daily to and from work, and then also weekend warrior if we want to go out. This towed the caravan for 2 years, so we did get pushed around a lot. So I end up going with a Y62 to stop that so the wife can tow the van as well. And then we'll set this up for pretty much forward driving. And we'll go in here and put on the hoist, and I'll show you my Outback Armour setup. Got it on the hoist, and we'll walk you through what I've actually done with it. Now we'll start from the front and work our way back. The tyres we put on, Maxxis Razars, all terrains. Second set, absolutely love them. They've done us really well. So we've kept with the factory rims. We actually like the pattern of them. On the front here, I've got a trail set up because I've got no bar or winch or anything fitted to the front. Our trail's unladen, so factory bumper. That's the main setup you want to use if you've got no weight over the nose. I've gone with a 50mm front, so you do got to run upper control arms with our 50mm suspension lift, just because it gives it a bit too much droop for the factory arms, and they hit on the strut tower. I went with Performance on the front. It's one of our shock ranges. Performance was our first range. Then now we've got DSVs and adjustables. So I'm really happy with the performance of the Performance gas nitro struts. Very comfortable. I've never had an issue with them. It's been fitted for about 3 years now, so they've been going really well. Because I was happy with these, I never swapped them out, but in the rear I put adjustables on it. Let's go have a look. It's a bit squishy underneath here with me and Odell. As you can see, got adjustables. I've done the adjustables on the rear because I tow a caravan with it. Right? It helps with the pulsating or bouncing, whatever people want to call it. So you can firm the rear up to get more control, or you can soften them when you're unloaded. You can see I have some Airbag Man airbags. Now we put them in there obviously because of towing. It's a sway bar link for the rear. If you lift these things, you make sure you extend the sway bar. For the airbag bracket, I've actually stolen one off of the 300 series that we got made up for the GVMs for them. You can come and have a look and show you what I've done that. So these are actually designed for the 300 series, and what we've done is I just put a bolt through the center of it just to hold it in place. Gives us a nice Outback Armour symbol on it. My wife or kids, actually, even like I've got 3 kids, I can leave it up to them to pump it up as well. We've had this car since late 2018 and we've never had an issue with it, so we'll stick with it and drive it into the ground. That's my MP300 with Outback Armour gear in it. It's got trail front, trail rear, performance front, adjustable rear. If you want that kind of setup, contact your closest Outback Armour dealer or contact us here. 95% chance you'll get me on the phone anyway. Stay tuned to see everybody else's vehicles.